You may or may not have noticed that every time I do one of these little sort of travel logs, it seems to be because we're getting up at some stupid time in the morning. It's now 4 o'clock in the morning, we're all ready, all set, everything's in the car. We're just about to drive over to the foot of Mount Semeru, where we do about an 8-hour walk, camp for a few hours, and then at 1 o'clock the following morning we make an assault on the summit and hopefully get to the summit of Semeru for sunrise.
Hey, Mas.
I'm getting up. Maybe we'll pick up someone else.
I assume so.
$2,000 cc. This one.
2,000. I always told me it was 4.
That's 2,000. And now they didn't make it again.
Right.
They didn't make it anymore. Sometimes they just buy the chassis and the body, and they will use another car engine.
Okay.
Sometimes from the truck.
Okay.
Big truck.
We're supposed to put these on.
I think that'd be pretty ineffective.
Yeah.
I always wait to climb Semeru. I always wait to climb Semeru.
Yeah.
This is the day I've been waiting for every time I bring
Oh, okay. Your favourite?
Yeah.
Okay.
On the top is forest. I don't know it's a mystery or not. If people swim until there from the edge until the middle, they will get trapped by like a twist, like a water.
By yeah, whirlpool.
Yeah.
You can see it's very deep in the middle.
Yes, it's much darker in the middle, isn't it?
And in 1919 there was a lady. She swim until just 50 meters from the edge, and finally she drowned. Alon-alon.
Just when the stills camera's in the bag, I think you should get that out.
Yeah,
That's
sort of a
running.
good shot.
It's small one.
Yeah.
We have sometimes bigger one.
Okay. And how deep is the crater? Just where we go up to, is that the edge of the crater where we go? Or
It just like the ribs.
and
And the crater is that
how
point
much?
around 2,900 meters. Not the vegetation limit, but on that point. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Half,
So that's only 2,900.
and maybe that one already 3,000.
Okay.
The vegetation limit.
There's still another 600 meters.
Yes.
Oh,
The ashy bit, 600 metres.
Yeah, yeah, around 500 until 600 meters.
Oh, blimey.
Tomorrow I will ask your GPS.
Yeah, that's tough. That is tough.
So when we get back down,
Yeah.
we've got ice cream and then a helicopter.
You
Dancing
can dream it
girls?
first. Half an hour.
Okay, so we should be due one just as we sit down with a nice cup of tea. That's my plan.
You can do that over there.
We'll do that over there.
And the water is over there. The water source.
Okay,
Go down and then 2 kilometers.
2 kilometres. Might be giving that a name.
This is home then.
This is our tent, yeah, this is home.
Splendid.
And they've put our stuff and the sleeping bags in there for us.
Oh wow. Stars.
So not only has he brought the wood, but he's brought water from, so that's 1.2 kilometres. Not a chance without using a tripod.
You want to go?
Where I need a long lens on it. What height are we at?
Don't know.
I'm not expecting to say something. You could have primed me.
Look at that. 3,473 metres.
125 metres of altitude to go.
Yeah.
I'm assuming we'll get a second breakfast when we go down.
Just one time breakfast.
Just the one we had before we came up.
Yeah. After that, when you go down, you will have big breakfast.
That's what I mean when we go back, down to the camp.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think we'll need it by then.
Need a beer.
I need to sleep. If those Malaysians over there aren't awake when we get back, I'm going to wake them up, get my own back. Oh, going to do it. Okay. I'll do it. Okay.
Cheers.
What you need is
Cheers.
a nice cup of tea. Cheers.
There's something wrong when you have a cup of tea on the top of a mountain. It should be a beer.
Oh. Not such a long walk because we know somebody who went there last year. But as long as I can get some sleep tonight.
Yes.
I mean, the lack of sleep, I'm actually falling asleep.
You won't. You'll get sleep this afternoon if
This
you're lucky.
afternoon.
But it's something stupid like 1 o'clock we start again, isn't it?
Yeah. It
Oh,
will
is
be
it?
too late.
Isn't it something like 1 o'clock in the morning we're off again?
The Bromo.
Yeah.
What time do we leave Bromo?
From here? Oh,
Yeah.
from
Oh,
Bromo?
from the hotel. I
4
thought-
a.m.
I thought it was 4.
4.
Yeah.
How civilised.
Or you want 1 a.m.? I can manage it.
Oh, I'm sure it can be arranged. Not just a quiet one, is it?
No!
Oh! Here it comes. Yeah, there's a little one. Smoke.
Okay, smallish one.
No, well.
Now,
Okay.
Oh, that's a good one.
Yeah. Oh, excellent.
Fantastic.
Woo!
Oh, that's a good one.
anginnya ke sini.
Are you tired then?
Tired. Gives the word a new meaning.